Now that you've decided on a plant in Crystal Cove that you think would be the best choice for land managers in Crystal Cove to use, we need to make sure we put together a strong argument for why we think that plant is the best choice. You need to share what you've learned to convince us that you know the best choice. As we get started in making our recommendation to Crystal Cove State Park, the first thing that you want to do is create what we call an explanation checklist. An explanation checklist is a tool that we use to organize our thinking and make sure that our explanation or our recommendation contains all of the scientific ideas that we think are most important. So for instance, since we know that caterpillars can eat too much of our plants and make it hard for them to survive, we might want to include the relationship between plants and caterpillars on our list. Those are the kinds of ideas that we would add to our explanation checklist. To use an explanation checklist, as you start writing your explanation, you can refer to the list and make sure that you're including all of the important ideas. So as you include an idea in your explanation, you can go through and check it off on your list. On the next slide, you will find a few examples for the start of an explanation checklist. Review the ideas there and then add any more ideas that you can come up with onto your own explanation checklist in your science journal.